On our last video we designed this, so welcome back guys. Now we are going to design another YouTube thumbnail without using a template. In order to start, let's click on the YouTube thumbnail here. It's going to give us a blank canvas to work on. Now the other time we use a template, which is this template, you understand, but now we are going to work on something blank, totally blank. So let's start. In our previous design we designed something for gamers, so let's go to photos, then let's search for something games, so like, or gamers. Let's use it that way. Then we should see if we can see something related, a picture related to games. Okay, here is the result. But I think okay, this is supposed to be a cool picture though, but we need something that is going to be related with laptops, so maybe we should include that in our search. So gamer laptop, something simple like that. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, cool, this is cool. Okay, okay, we can actually work with this. What do you think, guys? Let's try, let's try and work with this. Okay guys, so now as you can see, we've input the picture. Now it's left to the let us use the Fortnite picture that we used the other time to cover the this area. So it's just going to be this way, understand? So now on this our laptop screen we have the gaming stuff there that is going on. We can actually still delete this if we can use our element to actually cover it. So let me hide this first. So let's see. Okay, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Let me know what you're thinking. We can, so that we can work like a team, so you can understand. Maybe you understand what I'm trying to do here. And the problem here is that this, I want to cover this hand because it looks like maybe the person is aggressive and it's trying to eat the laptop. So I don't want to pass that to my audience, So you don't want to do that too. So if you are using Canva, actually you can get all this picture for free, So now let's go for, okay, best gaming laptop, something simple this way. And now I think this is bold enough for anybody to see, but we can actually make it more bigger. Let's see how it's going to look like by clicking here. I've explained how you can. Okay, I think this is cool. This is kind of cool. Something simple this way is okay. It's based on your own picture, because if you are doing a gaming laptop, that means you have your own camera, then you can shoot something perfect that is going to be okay for the thumbnail. Then you just add a little word to it. You don't want to use your words to clear or cover every important details that your audience would love to see. So you can just put something. Okay, let me just look for something. Speed. Yeah, something like speed. That's why I put it there. So you can actually do something on your own, something more better on your own. So let's end this video this way, and in our next video we are going to talk about some other things that are important when creating a YouTube channel, a YouTube